In a significant political development, several BJP MLAs from Manipur left for New Delhi today to meet central leaders, urging them to facilitate formation of a popular government in the state. The delegation includes Andhra MLA TH Shyamkumar, who asserted that if central leaders do not grant appointments, continuing as BJP MLA would have no meaning, hinting at the option of resignation. Others who joined the trip today are Langthabal MLA Karam Shyam, Karao MLA L Rameshwar, Lamlai MLA Bomcha, Patso MLA S Kunjakeshwar, Bishnupur MLA Govindas Konthaujam, Mayang Imphal MLA K Robindro, Khetrikau MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan, Singjamai MLA Y Khemchan, and Wabagai MLA Ushamdeven. Yesterday, ex-Chief Minister N. Biren, along with 3 BJP MLAs, former Minister and Konthaujam MLA Sapam Ranjan, Sekmai MLA Haikam Dingo, and Thanga MLA Tongbram Robindro had also left for Delhi. The visit comes amid heightened political activity in the state as leaders seek central intervention to restore stability and enable the swift formation of a popular government.
The BJP number of solely. And this is like tradition Piat and Beati. Miami Laxi had Piati, the Memelam, the Samakan. Any forms it coming to be one to do the already. By the I don't come in. Apoi leaders apoi to never play under the BJP affected. Apoi, to down.